ang ganda. Let's go.
Okay, go. Oh, may tao, patis.
Ay, kamayan mo.
Oh,
Hello, sir.
Mr. Officer.
Hello guys, I would like to let know how things happen here.
We're just celebrating, sir. Hello.
The
Birthday.
neighbor was complaining you Bernard was so noisy here. Huh?
Where's the noise, sir?
Maybe you do something
What?
not good here. I'm Officer
What's your name?
Jeremy.
What can you say, Mr.
Yeah.
It
These
is
guys
Mr.
are all
Officer.
my compadres, huh? I am RCMP Officer Jeremy.
Ako kanin ko na yung baril ko.
Oh yeah. Okay, I gonna let you know, guys.
So the birthday boy will get a gun.
One thing for sure, stay away from trouble. Okay.
So will birthday trouble get mad, man? So he will get a gun and shoot you, man.
Ito pag pumasok ang late side, nakaganito. Pag...
See?
Yeah.
See?
This one is a real, huh?
Pakawag pa sa puwet.
Real, real one. I gotta
Masakit yan, airsoft yan.
You know that?
That's
This
the
is my
collection
job,
of the birthday boy.
I am anti-terrorist squad. Huh? You terrorists, you better watch out. Stay away from trouble.
Are you Allied or Soviet?
No. I'm a Ukrainian devil. Huh? Yeah. So, mga walgista.
Upload mo agad.
Matulog ka na, hoy!
Alisin mo pala, alisin mo pala.
Ay, wala.
Para pa picture nga.
Picturean?
Picture mo nga.